Hi, Mr. Richmond here. I'm going to show you how to embed or upload into Desmos here your photos from your object launch. So start by going to desmos.com. Click on the Start Graphing button. To your left here, you should see the bar for inputting functions you want to graph, but you won't be needing that for this. What we're going to do instead is add an image. And make sure you have already saved your images somewhere where you know where they're at. Name them something so they're easy to find. I made mine Rocket Launch 1, Rocket Launch 2, Rocket Launch 3 because I'm going to need at least 3 photos of that rocket launch. And then each time I'm going to upload those into Desmos and perform this action. So I'm only going to do this with 1 to demo, but make sure you can find those photos easy. And make sure you've already cropped them out so that it's just the photo and the frame of what you want to see so you can see the full motion of that quadratic. Okay, once it's in, you want to scale it, okay? And you want to make sure you scale all your photos the same. And so that's probably the trickiest part here. And if it helps to input all 3 at the same time to do that, then you can. And so one easy way would be to kind of expand it and place it so maybe that the corners of your picture are in the same spots each time. So I could make sure that all 3 photos are framed in the same way so that they keep the same scale. But the problem is you're still going to want to line up your picture so that the y-intercept is in the correct spot, the starting point. So for me, I was launching off of this stomp rocket here. So I'm going to want to make sure I set it up so that the tip of the rocket is at some form of y-intercept that I want to know. So I want mine to be at 0.2 as the starting point, and then the rocket can fly through the rest of the way. So this to me is how I want it scaled. I need to make sure that the other photos I upload are scaled identically then so that the coordinates all kind of work and make sense. Once I have it where I want it, you can hit print screen to take a photo of that, and then you can put it in whatever document you're doing it on, and then crop that. But this at least gives me a rough idea, and I now have a coordinate. So for me, if I was trying to use this picture in a coordinate, I would say that this location here of the rocket is at approximately 5,8. Again, that's roughly, but it's fairly accurate. So I'd say 5,8. If I had another photo before the rocket was launched and it was here, I would know that its starting coordinate was around 0,2. And so I already have 2 coordinates that way. You want to make sure you have your 3 different pictures and show us how you got your 3 different coordinates. So hopefully that helps. Good luck.